Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the uncover animation in Explained 4.0. So I've got a project open here with a basketball SVG image in this scene, which I'll use to demonstrate the uncover animation. Let me move the scene up front by dragging and dropping it like so. By the way, if you see the strange S, it's because we have not yet applied any animation yet. So this is the entry in the timeline. I'll click this area and then choose Uncover, and you'll see several options. But there are two main categories: Uncover by hand and several uncover options. So I'll choose Uncover from left, and you'll see the preview of the animation. I can shorten the slider to make the animation a little bit faster, like so. If you go to the Effects tab, you'll see this option for Uncover Angle. So if I increase the angle to 50, and we do a quick preview, you'll see that the animation is a bit different. Let me reset it to 0, and let's try another option. I'll click the Edit button and choose Uncover, and this time we'll choose Uncover from center. So all the uncover options work the same apart from the direction. So now let me show you the Uncover by hand option. I'll click on the Edit button, choose Uncover, and this time we'll go with Uncover by hand. And here is a quick preview of the animation. You can control the line thickness by using this control. So for example, if I increase it to 100 using the plus button and do a quick scene preview, you can see that the animation is a bit different. Let me show you the hand tilt option. You can control the tilt of the sketch hand by using these plus and minus buttons, like so. You can use this checkbox to flip the hand horizontally also, like so. For the Draw Hand Under Sketch option, we need to use a specific sketch hand. So I'll click on Set Hand, and you'll see these hands that are specifically designed for a sketch from under. So I'll choose this one, but you'll notice that the sketch hand animation is not quite right because the sketch hand is over top of the ball. So if we check this box, you can see that the animation is now alright. As you can see, there are quite a few animation options in Explained, and many more to show. Well, that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.